Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam validation rejected error in Garry's mod. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, in the bottom left corner of your screen, click the search bar and type Task Manager. Once the Task Manager app appears in the results, go ahead and click on it to open it. Now look for Steam in the list of running applications, right-click on it and select End Task. This will completely close Steam and it will automatically relaunch itself after a moment. Once Steam opens back up, navigate to the top menu and click on Library. Now I should mention that I don't actually have Garry's mod in my library list, but I'm going to walk you through the next steps anyway. So let's pretend that I have Garry's mod installed for demonstration purposes. In your library, right-click on Garry's mod and select Properties from the menu that appears. This will open up the game's settings panel. In the left panel of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. This section gives you access to file management options for the game. From here, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks all your game files against Steam servers and replaces any corrupted or missing files automatically. You'll need to wait for this verification process to finish, which might take a few minutes depending on your game size. Once it's complete, go ahead and relaunch the game to see if the validation error is resolved. If you're still experiencing the same issue, we'll need to clear Steam's download cache. In the upper left corner, click on Steam and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Downloads. Now scroll down through the options until you find Clear Download Cache. Right beside that label, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Click on it to proceed. A confirmation window will pop up, so click Confirm to clear the cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts with your game verification. After the cache is cleared, relaunch Garry's mod and check if it's working properly now. If the problem persists even after trying these methods, there's one more solution to attempt. In the upper left corner, click on Steam and select Exit to completely close the application. Now locate the Steam icon on your desktop or in your Start menu, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with administrator privileges can resolve permission-related issues that might be preventing proper game validation. And that's how you fix the Steam validation rejected error in Garry's mod using these troubleshooting methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.